For anyone serious about elevating their cooking game, the right tools make all the difference. This Kaqinu carbon steel wok pan set, a 14-piece cookware marvel that transforms everyday cooking into a culinary adventure. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this wok promises to enhance your kitchen experience with its blend of tradition, functionality, and modern design. What makes the Kaqinu wok stand out isn't just its robust carbon steel construction or its compatibility with various stoves, but also the carefully curated accessories that come with it. This isn't just a pan, it's a complete solution for stir-frying, steaming, deep-frying, and more. With features like a naturally non-stick surface that improves with seasoning, ergonomic handles, and a versatile flat-bottom design, this wok is engineered to bring out the best in every dish you prepare. Packed with thoughtful details and designed to meet the needs of contemporary home kitchens, the Kaqinu wok set goes beyond functionality. It redefines convenience, health-conscious cooking, and versatility. Let's dive deeper into why this cookware should be your next kitchen investment. Unboxing the Kaqinu wok set. What's inside? The Kaqinu wok pan set includes a comprehensive array of tools to cater to all your cooking needs. The 14-piece set comprises a carbon steel wok with a lid, wok spatula, slotted spatula, wok brush, soup ladle, carving fork, oil drain rack, wok ring, chopsticks, slotted spoon, rice spoon, spaghetti spoon, apron. This extensive collection ensures that you're equipped for every culinary challenge, whether stir-frying, deep-frying, or steaming. Top features: what sets the Kaqinu wok pan apart? 1. Premium material and build. Made of lightweight carbon steel, the Kaqinu wok is designed for rapid and even heat distribution. Its Nitriding craftsmanship prevents rusting and ensures long-lasting performance. 2. Natural non-stick surface. Unlike chemical-coated pans, the natural non-stick surface of the Kaqinu wok becomes more effective with seasoning. This allows for healthier cooking by reducing the need for excess oil. 3. Ergonomic design. The wok features a detachable wooden handle that remains cool during cooking. Additionally, the hanging ring makes storage simple and saves kitchen space. 4. Versatility in cooking techniques. With its flat-bottom design, the wok is compatible with gas, electric, induction, and halogen stoves. From stir-frying to steaming, its size and shape accommodate a variety of dishes. 5. Aesthetic and functional lid. The wooden lid not only locks in heat and flavor, but also adds a rustic charm to your kitchen setup. Performance in real-world cooking, stir-frying. The wok's excellent heat conductivity ensures that ingredients are evenly cooked, maintaining their flavor and texture. Vegetables retain their crunch, and meats develop a perfect sear. Deep frying. The included oil drain rack simplifies deep frying, reducing mess and ensuring crispy results. Steaming and boiling. With its wide size and sturdy lid, the wok is ideal for steaming dumplings or boiling hearty soups. Easy cleanup. The honeycomb surface minimizes food sticking, making cleanup effortless. Remember to dry and oil the wok after washing to maintain its integrity. Why choose Kaqinu over competitors? 1. Comprehensive accessories. Many woks come as standalone items, but Kaqinu provides a full set to enhance your cooking experience. 2. Chemical-free cooking. The absence of synthetic coatings makes this wok a healthier choice for your family. 3. Affordability. Without compromising quality, compared to other high-end woks, Kaqinu delivers exceptional value at a competitive price. 4. Cultural authenticity. As a product rooted in traditional Chinese cooking methods, this wok brings authenticity to your kitchen. Maintenance tips for longevity. 1. Season the wok properly. Before first use, season the wok to develop a natural non-stick coating. 2. Clean with care. Avoid abrasive sponges. Instead, use the provided wok brush for gentle cleaning. 3. Prevent rusting. Dry the wok immediately after washing and apply a thin layer of oil. 4. Store appropriately. Hang the wok or store it in a dry area to maintain its quality. Final thoughts. A worthy investment for every kitchen. The Kaqinu carbon steel wok pan set combines traditional craftsmanship with modern convenience. It's a versatile, durable, and healthy cooking solution that can transform your culinary experience. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, this wok set ensures consistent results and unmatched value. Don't wait to upgrade your kitchen essentials. Invest in the Kaqinu wok set today and take your cooking to the next level. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.